Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nana Merced, 70 years. Wow, God is good sa buhay niyo po. I pray na bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng mahabang-mahaba pang buhay to spend it with your family and loved ones. God bless you and enjoy your party today.
Happy birthday, Tita Mercy.
Happy birthday, Tita. Good health always. Love you. Miss you.
Hello Mars, happy birthday, happy 70th birthday. Hindi halata, parang 50 lang. I wish you happiness, good health, and may God bless you always. And stay young as always. God bless you. Mwah.
Hello, Tita Benz. Yamas magana nun si April. Happy birthday. Kumun, ang God 100 years untan kirin passionista. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hello Tita Benz, happy birthday po. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. Thank you.
Hello, Tita Benz. Happy birthday po. Naway, pagpalain po kayo ng pong may kapal. Humaba pa po ang inyong buhay. At magkaroon po kayo ng araw-araw na kasiyahan sa mundong ito. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Best wishes po sa inyo. Thank you.
Hi, sa maganda pong tita. I wish you a happy 70th birthday. Wish you all the best and have a happy, healthy, long life. Enjoy your day, tita. I miss you and I love you. God bless you always. Mwah.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Babatiin ko lang po ang ating birthday celebrant. Tita Benz, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang malusog. At ituloy mo lang yung pagiging happy-go-lucky mo. Pampahaba ng buhay yan. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have fun. And I love you.
Hello! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and gusto ko lang pong batiin ang aming birthday celebrant, si Ate Benz, ang aming Birit Queen. Kanta kita. Kesa sayawan kita, kantahan lang kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Wala man ako dyan sa birthday mo. Andito ka naman sa puso ko. I love you, Ate Benz. All the best for you and mwah!
Hello, Mother Benz. Happy birthday. Well, my wish for you are good health, more blessing, and syempre, more birthday to come. For you.
Po Nanay, happy birthday. I hope you have a nice day and enjoy the celebration. I hope to see you soon one day. And yeah, happy birthday.
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nasing ganda ko. Charot. Ayan, dahil wala ako dyan, kakantahan ko na lang ang aking ina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 70th birthday, Nay. Wish ko sa'yo good health
And God bless you always. More happiness in your life. At nawa, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at para makasama ka pa namin ng matagal. At maraming salamat sa inyo sa lahat ng sakripisyo nyo para sa amin. Deserve nyo kung ano man ang meron kayo ngayon. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Mahal na mahal kita, Nay. Alam mo yan. Wala man ako dyan. Nandito ka sa aking puso. 'Di ba? At nawa, maintindihan mo rin kung bakit wala ako dyan. Pero marami pa namang birthdays ang darating at magkakasama pa rin naman tayo, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Ayan. Tsaka uwi na ako. Malapit na akong umuwi. See you soon, guys! And, ayun. Enjoy kayo lahat dyan. At salamat sa inyong lahat na pumunta. Salamat sa mga kapatid ko. Salamat sa inyong lahat. At masaya ako na masaya kayong lahat. Ayan. God bless all. I love you all.